So hello my dear students. In this class, in this video, we are going to continue the further topics of this chapter. The chapter named was Nutrition in Animals. We were discussing about how we take food, the different ways of food, taking food and digestion in human. And we learnt about that digestive system, the whole digestive system and the parts of digestive system. So the buccal cavity, salivary gland, esophagus, liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine and rectum and anus. All these parts together makes the digestive system. So here the buccal cavity and the food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, rectum and anus, all these together forms alimentary canal and they are also known as digestive tract. As I said, your digestion starts from the mouth. So we take food into the mouth and what we do? We chew it well with the help of the teeth which is present in the buccal cavity. Then here the carbohydrates start break down here. Then from here it goes to the esophagus which is a food pipe connected to the stomach. From here it goes to the stomach, then from the stomach, then in the stomach, the proteins start breakdown in the stomach and also churns it and moves the juices are secreted out from the liver and pancreas. Here, this liver and pancreas secreted the juice which are helpful for the digestion. Then here from the stomach it goes to the large intestine. The food goes to the small intestine. The food goes to the small intestine. Here the small intestines has villi. They are finger-like projections. They are like this. As you can see in the picture. So these are the finger-like projection and they are known as villi. Here. तो सारे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में छोटे 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 विलाई बने हुए हैं जो सरफेस एरिया को बड़ा कर रहे हैं. दीज विलाई इंक्रीजेस द सरफेस एरिया. सो उनकी जो जगह बढ़ जा रही है वो और थोड़ी जगह जिससे न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऑब्जॉर्व होते हैं पूरी बॉडी के अंदर. वहां से वो थोड़ी ज्यादा जगह है ना, वहां पर अच्छे मतलब जो अच्छा फूड है वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऑब्जॉर्व होके बॉडी में चला जाता है एंड द अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड गोज टू द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. देन फ्रॉम द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, देन फ्रॉम द large intestine the undigested food part of the food goes to the rectum, then to the anus, then from here it comes out from the body. So this was the whole digestive process. So here in the mouth it start and here we chew the food. So we chew the food with the help of teeth which are present in the buccal cavity. I want to show you teeth. This is the arrangement of teeth and these are the different types of teeth. As you can see in the picture, the front 4 teeth are known as incisors. Then these 2 teeth together are known as canine. And here this side 2 teeth and here this side 2 teeth together forms premolars. And these 3 teeth and these 3 teeth together form molar. So this is the arrangement of teeth and these are the different teeth which help us to chew our food differently. So in the mouth we take food and chew it with the help of these teeth. So we take food. The process of taking food is known as ingestion. So what do you mean by ingestion? Let me write here. Ingestion, it is the process of taking food. taking food into the mouth is known as ingestion. Nutrition in animals. So what are the compartments which makes the alimentary canals? The compartments means it starts from buccal cavity. Then next what comes? Food pipe, esophagus, which is a food pipe, we know that. Then next comes stomach. Then from stomach the food goes to the small intestine. Then it goes to the large intestine, as we studied. Large intestine. And then from large intestine it goes to the rectum and anus. So this is the whole digestive system, and they are together forms or makes alimentary canal. They are together makes alimentary canal. ये सब मिलकर इन्हें alimentary canal कहते हैं या digestive tract भी कहा जाता है. Digestive tract or alimentary canal. And in buccal cavity there is a muscular fleshy organ which is known as tongue. This tongue helps to mix saliva with food, and it can move to all the direction. And what are the function of tongue? So as we all know that we use tongue to talk, and it mixes saliva with food, which become very easy for us to swallow our food. And also the tongue has taste buds. Which taste different substances like salt, sweet, sour or bitter. Just see the picture of tongue here. So this is the region of tongue for different taste. These are the different region of the tongue to taste the different taste.